After trying these meatballs, you won't need any other recipe. Let's start by cutting 5 potatoes in half, then into dices. Cover the pot with the lid and let cook for 20 minutes. Now in a bowl, add 300 grams of minced beef, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 chopped onion, a bit of fine herbs. Stir to blend. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a huge hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. When ingredients are blended together, take a piece of beef and roll it into a meatball with your hands. Then coat the meatballs with flour to give them a nice texture. In a pan, drizzle some oil, then add meatballs to fry. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, I love meatballs. When one side of the meatballs is fried, turn them over with the spatula to fry the other. Then add 100 ml of tomato sauce and stir for 2 minutes. Put the meatballs aside while preparing the potatoes. In a bowl, add the boiled potatoes, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mash everything. And you guys, this recipe is super delicious! Perfect for lunch or dinner. Try it, then tell me what you think. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Place the mashed potato in a baking pan and even it out. Then place the meatballs on top. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Then remove from the oven, add grated mozzarella cheese, and put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.